Hey guys, this is just a quick little video of my 92 Camaro. I had some cooling system problems and my radiator was all plugged up with rust, so I had to flush the block out, and I added a new radiator. This is like a champion style radiator from eBay that I bought. I also did some other upgrades. I went with a Taurus fan motor instead of the original third gen one. Let's see if I can get a good picture of it here. So I made an adapter plate, and I was able to mount a Taurus radiator. I'm sorry, a Volvo radiator to this car. What's good about it? It's a 2-speed fan. It's controlled by the Volvo controller, which I have right here. So that's a Volvo controller. Power comes from the battery. To a 30 amp circuit. It's fed to the controller, which is down over here, like I said. A lot of off-road guys use these. Let me see if I get a better picture of it. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. But it's controlled actually by a BMW switch. Part number for the BMW switch is I have a Facet number for you. It's 75679. I also went with a 160 thermostat. The part number for these connectors, I used BMW number 61131378410, and the little wiring ends is 61130074441. So and it's been working great. Also, I deleted the smog pump. I no longer have a smog pump down there. And when you do that, you got to use a shorter belt. I'm using Dayco number 6PK2460. Let me see if you can see it there. Let me get that for you right there. And hope this guys helps you out with some cooling issues. There's plenty of information on the internet. I'm not the first, and I probably won't be the last person who ever puts a Volvo fan in a car.